Hi there, I'm Stacie Brown, Vice President of Operations and Training at the Center for Personal Protection and Safety. At CPPS, we're committed to empowering organizations with the tools they need to create safer, more resilient workplaces. So today I want to talk to you about something critical: how to become a true subject matter expert in workplace violence prevention and intervention, or WVPI, within your organization. Workplace violence is not just a security issue, it's a people issue. It affects culture, morale, legal liability, and most importantly, human lives. Having someone in your organization who understands the full scope of prevention and intervention isn't just a nice to have, it's essential. So how do you step into that SME role? Let's break it into 3 different core areas: understanding the landscape, building credibility, and driving action. So the first one, understanding the landscape. You can't manage what you don't understand. So to become a WVPI SME, you need to be fluent in the risks and responsibilities tied to workplace violence. That means understanding the difference between behavioral concerns and policy violations, knowing the ANSI standard as well as the OSHA instruction, recognizing the signs of escalation and having clarity on intervention pathways. Our CPPS training covers all of this, but even outside of formal instruction, you can start by reviewing your organization's policies and asking, are we compliant? Are we prepared? And then number 2, build your credibility. Being a subject matter expert isn't about having all the answers. It's about becoming the go-to person for informed, responsible, and actionable guidance. You build that credibility by participating in cross-functional conversations, such as with HR, legal, security, and your leadership. Staying current on industry standards, case law, and emerging trends. Engaging in continuous training and encouraging others to do the same. It also means modeling the behaviors we teach: calm, composed, and solutions focused, especially in times of conflict. And 3, drive action through influence. Now here's the difference between being informed and being effective: action. A WVPI SME isn't just a policy expert, they're a change agent. Your job is to help leadership understand the risk in business terms, translate the policy into practice at the ground level, and champion training programs that empower, not intimidate, your workforce. And then, of course, support threat assessment and management teams, incident reporting protocols, and after-action reviews with insight, not fear. And most importantly, you create a culture where people feel safe reporting, respected when expressing concern, and prepared to act, not just react. At CPPS, we believe that safety isn't just a policy, it's a mindset. And as a SME, you help shape that mindset every day. So whether you're just starting out or already wearing this hat unofficially, know this: your work matters. Your leadership matters, and becoming a SME in workplace violence prevention and intervention isn't just about compliance, it's about care. So thanks for watching, and if you're looking to dive deeper, CPPS is here to support you every step of the way.